My name is Adam Mailman. I'm from Calgary, Alberta, Canada. It's nice to live in the mountains, but it is nice down here. And, I don't know, I've really enjoyed listening to all the plays this morning. Shall we play the beginning?
Would you rather start someplace else?
No, actually, I'd really like to play the beginning.
Okay, that's fine. One of the beauties of being the conductor. Since we worked together a couple of days ago, all the rhythmic tightness, that bump, beat, bump, bump, all those little motives that are going on. If I was going to try to had to come up with one word to describe the way your gesture on that looks, the word I would come up with is fluffy.
Okay. I was going for bouncy, but I see fluffy, yeah.
Yeah. What would be the difference between bouncy and fluffy?
Less wrist motion, I think. More lift rather than...
Say crispness of rebound.
Crispness of rebound.
Bravo. Brilliant, yeah. And not bigger.
No.
Because bounce implies what?
Right.
Bounce.
Yeah.
Fluffy, marshmallows. No marshmallows here.
Okay.
Okay, you got it?
Got
okay,
it.
okay. Less fluffy.
Nice. No more s'mores.
Let's stay with this. I'm going to be stubborn,
Please.
hard-headed about that. But I still, it's floating.
Okay.
Can we start at A? Just A. Would you just do that? I just want it to be.
A, please.
A. Hang with me just a little bit longer. Just relax, put your hand down to your side, and let gravity take hold of the stick. Okay, no? If gravity takes hold of the stick, where's the point going to go? Yeah. Then just wrap your hand around raise your hand up. There. Now do it again. So what do we change when we do that? Instead of me, down, 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 down. It's here.
Okay.
Okay? To me, that's drier.
Okay.
And maybe you can say to me if you want, hey, Dick, I don't want it to be that dry. If that's okay, but for it to have that preciseness, this is really an amazing instrument here. It can communicate so much in terms of the way you hold it, whether it's here,
Right.
whether it's here, whether it's here. All those say different things. And you've got to get in front of a mirror and make decisions about how does that communicate?
Yeah.
But to me, if you want these notes to have crispness and popness to them, you can't.
Yeah. Okay.
And I don't give a rip whether it's you conducting 3/4 or not. It's the music that's important. They're going to be pop, 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 pop. Got it?
Yep.
Okay.
I think so.
I'm not going to say anything else about that.
Okay.
Okay, we're going to go ahead from there then.
Sticks down.
Yeah. A
Monday.
convenient place to start somewhere right about where we were.
Well, let's start at A because that's a
A, okay.
convenient spot to start.
Get that stick down. It is to allow your torso to be willing to move this way a little bit more.
Okay.
Okay, and right where it's one of the places, where the trumpets have the bop, bop, that business going on. I don't remember exactly where it was now. Yeah, it could be there. Yes, but your body said was over here with these folks.
They just seem so nice.
But
Not that you're not nice,
the
I'm
willing
sorry.
just to turn your body enough that you're connecting with that section of the ensemble.
Okay.
Okay. And it's not big and obvious, and we can start 2 bars in front of B, it'd be fine.
Sure.
Okay. And if you think of it, this is a great place to
Yeah, let's do measure 28 and 6/4.
yeah, that'll work perfectly.
Yeah.
Okay. And be willing to open your heart to the section that's making the music. To me, that made all the difference in the world. Okay, all of a sudden you were really communicating with sections that matter.
Yeah.
Okay, and just kind of continue to focus on making that happen. Start with it. Now let's see. Yeah, pick up the D's. And this is a point in time we're going to. This is not what I want to see, but he's gonna get us there.
Okay.
Just show them the bar lines.
Sorry.
Sorry,
Yeah,
D, right?
Yeah.
Right,
Okay.
pick up the D. This is right.
Yeah. Can you do that with less space?
Yes. Okay. Definitely. More downward stuff.
The wrist, in lyrical playing, the wrist is the most valuable, precious possession we have. And you can knead bread with it, you can paint with it, you can sculpt with it. It's here. Try it again.
You
Yeah,
sound
just-
great.
Yeah. Yeah. Now, you just keep that going. Okay, that's great. We're gonna keep going. But then you can do anything you want to shape the music, but that heartbeat is right here. It just says the music is just floating.
Yeah.
Again, and this time you can do anything else you want to do, but this has got to be there.
There we go.
As you get bigger, you can log down. We got the stop sign. But I hope when you see that, you see the difference it makes in terms of shaping the line, but the floating of the music is there.
Sure.
So this is the guide, and then this is all the fluff.
Yeah.
And the fluff is a good word here, by the way.
S'mores
Okay.
in the middle.
Thank you.
Thank you so much. Thanks, everybody. Beautiful.